So, hello friends, hope you are all well. So, before discussing the sexual reproduction in plants, we have to know the parts of plants. So, I have put a diagrammatic view of lateral section of plant that will show you this is ovary. This part is known as ovary, this is sepal, this is filament, this part here in the upstairs is anther, and this one is petal. Here you can see the stigma, which is upside part of ovary. Then there is a style, and so as you have seen that there are different parts of flowers. Now in this part of video, I will share with you how every part function. So for example, sepals and petals in flower bud can be differently colored to attract pollinators. It is basically serve as attracting agents. So stem and receptacle connect the flower to the rest of the plant. So I have shown you in the diagram that stem and receptacle, it is the connecting medium for the flower that will connect the flower to the rest of the plant. Second thing, it is now about male reproductive system. The first part is stamen. Now, stamen consists of two parts. First is anther, and the second part is filament. So, anther is the part where pollen is produced, and filament is the part which supports anther. You can consider it as a supporting part, and both of these are responsible for production and correct positioning of pollen part for male reproductive cell, that is sperm. Now we come to the female reproductive part, carpel. It consists of, so friends, the next part we are discussing is female reproductive part, which is called as carpel. As you have seen the diagrammatic view of flower, the first part was stigma. So stigma is the landing place. For example, if you see the airport, so airport has a place for landing of flights. So it is same. Stigma is the landing place of pollen. So whenever the pollination occurs, this is the first place so that the pollen get stick to this part. And the second part is style. That is the place, you can say it is a pathway, it is the route from where the pollen grain it descends to ovary. So ovary is where female cells are produced or located. That is the part, you can say ova, egg cells. So now you understood both the parts. Now the third part I will come, pollination. Pollination is transfer of pollens from male anther of one flower to the female stigma of another flower. This is known as the pollination. And in the next video I will tell you different ways of pollination, different agents which help in pollination to occur. Thanks a lot for today. Hope you have a good day.